Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 biology MCQs part 5th. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। विच कंपाउंड हैज़ अ डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर? ऑप्शन ए डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड DNA, बी RNA राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड, सी फ्लेविन एडेनिन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड, and option D nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So the correct option is A deoxyribonucleic acid DNA. Explanation is DNA is famous for its double helical structure while RNA ribonucleic acid is generally a single stranded molecule. Among the different type of RNA, which one has the highest molecular weight? Option A mRNA, B rRNA, C yeast RNA, and option D tRNA. So the correct option is option B rRNA, ribosomal RNA. Explanation is rRNA molecules is particularly the large subunit have the highest molecular weight among RNA types. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. From DNA, the genetic message is transcribed into this compound is this. Option A protein, B mRNA, C tRNA, and option D rRNA. So the correct option is B mRNA, messenger RNA. Explanation is transcription is the process of copying DNA into messenger RNA. Almost all the urea is formed in this tissue. Option A kidney, B urethra, C uterus, and option D liver. So the correct option is D liver. The urea cycle is the major pathway for nitrogen excretion, occurs primarily in the liver. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. The genetic code operates through option A the protein moiety of DNA, B cistron of DNA, C nucleotide sequence of mRNA, and option D the anticodons of tRNA. So the correct option is C nucleotide sequence of mRNA. The genetic code is read from the nucleotide sequence of mRNA during translation. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. A nucleoprotein usually contains deoxy sugars of the hexose type. B. Nucleoproteins are usually absent from the cytoplasm. C. Nucleoproteins are usually present in the nucleus only, and option D nucleoproteins usually occurs in the nucleus and cytoplasm. So the correct option is D nucleoprotein usually occurs in the nucleus and cytoplasm. Explanation is the nucleoprotein complexes of nucleic acid and proteins are found in both nucleus, for example chromosomes, and cytoplasm, for example is a ribosome. So dear students, you are attending past paper MDCAT paper MCQs. So at the end of this tutorial, write your score in comment box. Which of the following compounds is present in RNA but absent from DNA? Option A, thymine, B, cytosine, C, uracil, and option D, guanine. So the correct option is C, uracil. Uracil is found in RNA while thymine is found in DNA. Nucleic acids can be detected by means of their absorption maxima near 260 nanometer. So their absorption in this range is due to what? Option A, proteins, B, purines and pyrimidines, C, ribose, and option D, deoxyribose. So the correct option is B, purines and pyrimidines. The aromatic rings of purine and pyrimidine bases absorb ultraviolet light strongly at around 260 nanometer. Which of the following contains a deoxy sugar? Option A, RNA, B, DNA, C, ATP, and option D, UTP. So the correct option is B, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA contains deoxyribose while RNA contains ribose. ATP and UTP are ribonucleotides containing ribose. Transcription is the formation of option A, DNA from a parent DNA, B, mRNA from a parent mRNA, C, pre-mRNA from DNA, and option D, protein through mRNA. So the correct option is option C, pre-mRNA from DNA. So explanation is transcription is the synthesis of an RNA copy, pre-mRNA in eukaryotes from a DNA template. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Translation is the formation of dash. Option A, DNA from DNA, B, mRNA from DNA, C, protein through mRNA, and option D, mRNA from pre-mRNA. So the correct option is C, protein through mRNA. Translation is the process of synthesizing a protein from the mRNA template. In addition to the DNA of the nucleus, there is DNA. Option A, mitochondrion, B, endoplasmic reticulum, C, Golgi apparatus, and option D, plasma membrane. So the correct option is A, mitochondria. Mitochondria and chloroplasts in plants have their own DNA. Thank you for watching my videos.